So this is how the Himalayan performs in city condition, especially while commuting to office. The bike might look intimidating due to its huge size and weight, but it is very manageable. The engine is powerful enough that you can get ahead of traffic. And the braking is so good, it gives you enough confidence to ride in the city conditions. The suspension do their job well, and at times it feels magical. They adapt to the situation you are in. And due to the 21-inch front tire, you will not feel any pothole or even the speed breakers. In my testing, engine heat was not an issue, but mostly it depends upon the ambient temperature you are riding in, so it may vary depending upon the city you are in. The only issues I felt are the lower end torque. You need to shift the gears quite frequently, and bike leans a lot when parked on the side stand. So parking can be challenging at times. Having said that, this is how I will rate the bike on various aspects. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I hope you like this video. Please show some love in forms of likes and subs, and I will see you soon in another video. Till then, goodbye.